Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is Tintin. If you're dreaming of working on a cruise ship and applying for housekeeping position, this video is exactly what you need. Today, I'll guide you through what to expect during the cruise ship housekeeping interview, the most common question and sample answers, tips on how to stand out from other applicants, and my favorite part, a message to inspire and motivate you before you take the big step. Let's make the dream of working on board of reality. Let's begin. First, let's talk about what it really means to be a housekeeper on a cruise ship. This is not your usual hotel job. You're working at sea. That means long hours, tight spaces, and high standards. But also, you get to travel the world, make international friends, and grow fast in your career. As a cabin steward or housekeeping utility, your main tasks include cleaning guest cabins and crew cabins, changing linens and towels, sanitizing bathrooms, refilling amenities like soap, tissue, and water, reporting damages or maintenance issues, and last, greeting guests with a smile. And most importantly, keeping everything spotless while the ship is rocking. Cruise interview questions and sample answers. Why do you want to work as a housekeeper on a cruise ship? I want to work on a cruise ship because it's a unique opportunity to do what I love, cleaning and organizing while also traveling and learning from people all over the world. I'm ready to handle hard work, long hours, and the responsibilities that come with working at sea. How would you deal with a guest who says their cabin is not clean enough? I will stay calm, apologize politely, and assure the guest that I will clean the cabin again immediately. It's important to listen and make the guest feel heard. I'll make sure they're satisfied before I leave the room. What would you do if you found something valuable in a cabin? I will never touch or take anything that isn't mine. I will report it immediately to my supervisor. As per the company lost and found policy, integrity is very important, especially on board. How do you manage your time during back-to-back cleaning schedules? I prioritize my tasks and follow a routine. I focus on one cabin at a time but work quickly without compromising quality. If needed, I also ask for help from my team so we can all finish on time. What do you know about safety and sanitation on a cruise ship? I understand that safety and cleanliness are top priorities on board. I follow protocols, use chemicals properly, and sanitize every high-touch surface. I also know that I must attend safety trainings and drills. Interview tips to stand out. Know the cruise line you're applying for. Learn a few things about them, where they sail, their values, and what kind of service they offer. Dress clean and simple. Even if it's a video interview, wear something neat, no flashy clothes or loud backgrounds. Practice speaking English clearly. Many cruise ships use English as the main language. Practice answering questions with confidence and smile. Show you're a team player. Housekeeping is teamwork. Interviewers want to know you can get along with others and respect your leaders. Be honest but positive. If you don't have experience, focus on your attitude. I may be new, but I'm a fast learner and I'm ready to grow. To everyone watching this, remember, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to be prepared. The cruise ship industry is looking for hardworking, honest, and reliable people who are willing to learn and adapt. Even if you're a first-timer or you're coming from a different job, this could be your big break. Don't let fear stop you. Everyone starts somewhere. Every successful seafarer once stood where you are now, nervous, hopeful, and full of dreams. So take the chance, study, practice, and when you walk into that interview, walk in with pride. you're not just applying for a job, you're applying for a future. Thank you so much for watching. If this helped you, don't forget to like, comment your dream cruise line below, and subscribe for more seafarer tips and interview guides. I'm cheering for you. Good luck, future crew member. See you on board.